Hello guys, my name is Mohammad Amar Jamshed, and it's an honor to be able to convey my knowledge and ideas to all of you, and that so all of you can further work upon them as well and even make them better than even I could. So, as in our YouTube community, we always learn from one another, and being a data scientist, I'm always open to new ideas and new thoughts. That maybe if my work is wrong, how could it improve even more with the ideas of other people? Basically, crowdsource them to others to make them better. So today I promised a long time ago that I will make a video for all my subscribers on how we can automate whole tasks, like home tasks rather, using analytics. And nowadays the most common tool for analytics for small scale data is obviously Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, because it's a structural CSV sheets which people at offices can understand what it is, and people at home even understand what it is because it's used in assignments for financial stuff, for especially for students who are doing accounting or finance backgrounds, or accounting and finance degrees, diplomas, or who have backgrounds in them. They would know that. So I'm going to teach you how to automate a lot of homework. Homework like not homework as in the school work, but rather home tasks like, salaries, finances, expenses, how to automate all of that with Excel. Okay, so brace yourselves. Here that right in front of me, I've opened a blank Excel sheet. Nothing's in it. So let me populate it with some interesting data. Let's say serial number. This is a must actually, because we have to keep a record of each transaction and how many transactions there are. So let's see if I'm trying to, let's see, I have to pay my home domestics. So let me just put salaries. And let's see if I have to pay, what else do I want? Let's see if I have uh, paid status. And yeah, never leave a space actually whenever you're creating variables, because later on when you're computing them on other platforms, like example uploading Excel into a Python workbook, then these spaces between words actually result in problems when reading the data. Okay, so let me check. And person. So let me say I have, let's see, 3 people in my house. So I'm just giving you an example. I obviously won't share any real data. So let's say if I'm paying, let's say, $2 to this person, $3 to the second person, and $4 to the third person. And persons can be A person, B person, C person. Okay, and let's say um, page status, yes, no, no. Month due, like this is the month I have to pay their salaries, and let's see the date I have to pay it in. Let's see if I have to pay this person's salary by 15th Jan 2023, and this person's salary by 17th 0 01 2023, and this person by 20th 01 2023. And if I fail to pay my employee salaries on time, so I have to then pay them extra, because obviously it's wrong to compromise on someone's salary. So extra amount if I have to pay. So let's create an Excel formula to calculate the extra amount instead of wasting my time calculating it on a computer. Okay, from where I was. Now let's say if, let's say my person is not paid, so I have to create a if condition. Okay, you have to always type equals first when creating a formula. So if, since if C2, this is the name, the number of the box here, because it's in the column C in the second row, so it's C2. If C2 equals, since this is a word not a number, so it has to be in exclamation marks, and I have to put, if C2 equals yes, then I have to basically pay an extra amount. So I have to, let's say, pay double the amount of the salary. Then I have to click on this bracket, on the bracket of the salary, on the column of the salary, multiplied by 2. If not, then perfect. Okay,
if it's yes, right? But over here I've already paid the amount, so this was an error. So let's change it to no, meaning if my column C equals no, then I have to pay him double the salary of my amount in column B. And if I've already paid, then perfect. Okay, there. And since if I have, let's say, thousands of rows and I don't want to like copy paste the formula like uh, from here and then copy paste it here, it automatically updates the row numbers as well, like you've seen here. It automatically updated it to C3 and B3. So if I want to avoid that for thousands of rows, I just click here. See, and it will copy, it will paste it automatically in the remaining columns as well. So since I've already paid this person, no extra amount, but if I have paid them, then yes, I have to pay this person double of his salary, that's 6, and double of this, that's 8.